So you've been curious of what is inside the Million Dollar Academy. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour and give you a quick idea of what we have available inside there. So this is our first main homepage here. When you scroll through that, the main thing that's on here that I want to point out is a calendar because every single week we have something going on inside the Academy, whether it's an accountability meeting, group coaching calls, webinars, live Q&As. We have something going on every single week to be able to hop in, ask questions, provide you answers, and just give you more information and more training. So we do definitely recommend grabbing that calendar when you get in. This month here, we have a webinar coming up November 16th on job costing. So we go through these during that time. And then afterwards, we open it up for Q&A. So if you have any questions about job costing or anything in general, you can hop in and ask those questions there. Up top, you can see all our different menu items we have. So our introduction course here, we talk about the two different types of business owners, what your perfect business is, what do you stand for? We help you figure out how to set some 90-day goals. And then we have our Green Growth Method quiz. Module 1, this is our top course inside the Academy that many people come to us for. So if you're struggling trying to figure out what you need to charge for your work, for your services, we can help you figure that out. We have a step-by-step course inside here that will walk you through figuring out what your employees are costing you, what your equipment's costing you, what your overhead is costing you. And when we take all those numbers and we put them together and created a estimating system for you that you can use to price your work based on your numbers, not your competitions or what people will say the going rate is. We have different estimating systems in there, and they'll go through all that inside the Academy. But let me just show you one course here, just to give you an idea of what we have. So this is our equipment costing course. We have our videos that go along. This course happens to have 4 different videos on this. So we walk you through step by step. We have the downloads for you, the calculators that you just basically download, put your information in, and it's going to tell you what you need to charge per hour for each piece of equipment. We make it as simple as possible for you. And just to give you a quick idea of what it looks like for one of our calculators here, this one again is our equipment costing calculator. So basically, when you go in, you start putting in your information, it's going to spit out at the end what you need to charge per hour for that vehicle. It's a nice thing to know. That way you can price your work based again on what your equipment's costing you, how much it's cost you for fuel, for all the maintenance, everything, buying that new equipment, inflation, all those types of considerations. We have done it all for you. We've done the math for you. Basically just plug in your information and it spits out the total at the end. So it can't get any easier for you. Let me head back to the Academy. So again, this course just happens to be 4 courses. If we go into any of the other ones, we have ones on like overhead budgeting. That one has quite a few more. This one happens to have 9 courses on overhead budgeting because it's a little more detailed item. And this is something very important that some people just don't think about or don't really understand and how it can really affect your pricing. So we have a pretty detailed course, step-by-step, walk you through each one of these. Every single course has a video that goes along with it, and we have all the downloads available for you below that. So again, we have all these different courses inside the Academy. If you join the Academy, you have access to different contracts. So if you're looking for contracts for landscaping, lawn maintenance, snow plowing, we have all that in here. We have different forms for you for water feature contracts, plant guarantees, paver FAQs, just all kinds of information you can provide your customer to put you one step ahead of your competition's probably not doing these types of things. So we have all these different agreements available, lawn maintenance, snow plowing, like I said, all these are available for you to download. And we have job costing, company scorecards. We have all kinds of different information just on Know Your Numbers. Our next section is called Marketing Tactics. So this one, if you need some help with your marketing, we have stuff on there, how to set up your Facebook to succeed. We have stuff in there, how to set up Google My Business, how to create a marketing plan, how to create automations, how to use Zoom, how to use blog posts. We actually even provide you blog posts in here. So if you click on the blog post, you can download any of these blog posts, add them to your website. We're going to set you up so you are the professional, so people can come to look to you for answers on whatever their problem is. So we have all these blog posts you can download, put them on your website easily, or you can use them in social media if you like. But we tell you how to do it, how to add those blog posts to your website. So if you use WordPress, we show you how to do that. It's very simple. We go to a sales system. We want to pre-qualify our customers. We want to make sure it's the right customers. We're not going out there wasting our time talking to somebody, find out they can't afford what you're doing, or you don't even do those types of services. So we walk you through. We have sheets that you can use to collect information. some questions you can ask the customers. We have stuff on helping track your sales call or your sales. So we have all that available. The next one we have inside the academy is about systems and procedures. This is going to help you free up your time. It's going to help you get out of the field. So if you're looking to do those, this is a great way to do that. And inside here, we have the different systems, we have the different procedures. Again, we have different courses on all this stuff. Let me show you one of the procedures we have in here. So we walk you through. So if you want to make your own procedures, we walk you through step by step on how to do that. We give you the workbooks to help you work through that. And then we have the different procedures that we use in our business, how to handle an accident, what to do if there's an accident, what to do with past due accounts, plant installation, bulb installation, tree installations, all those types of things that we do on a regular basis, but we want to make sure our team is doing it your way you have grown your business for doing your type of work. We can do that by teaching our teams how to do that through our procedures. So we have all these that you can download and start implementing your business right away. We have the checklists that go along with it. Pull that up. Again, we have courses on all this. We have the workbooks that go with it, but we have all the checklists that you can go through. So if your employees are forgetting to hook up the trailer, we have checklists on that. We have a landscape final walkthrough. That's a great one. So when you're finished with that job, and you can walk through it with a customer and show them and make sure they can sign off saying, yes, they did, you did an excellent job, or no, they forgot something. Let's get that taken care of. So we have all that in there for you. We have stuff for snow plowing, pre-snow events, post-snow events, skid steer safety checklist, tool checklist, all kinds of different checklists in here to help get your team on track and make sure they're doing what they're supposed to be doing consistently to provide the excellent customer service. We have all kinds of different things on hirings and training and retaining your employees. So we have different hiring systems available. So we have job applications, pre-employment questionnaires, job descriptions, job advertisements, all available for you to start using. And we have specific job applications for lawn or landscaping. We have specific applications for lawn maintenance that you can download and start using right away. We have stuff on training. So we have our employee handbook, our employee onboarding. We want to make sure we're getting our team on board and trained our way. But there's no way to keep track of that until you start using what we have inside here. We have an awesome tool in here for onboarding our employees and doing it consistently throughout. Skills assessments. We have stuff on training or retaining your employees. We have questionnaires you can give your employees. We have performance evaluations, incentive plans. So if you want to create a incentive plan that's one we're still doing the video for, but we have the actual procedures that you can start using right away. And then we have our monthly live Q&As. And if you join as a premium member, you can get in. We have accountability meeting. We have one-on-one coaching you can sign up for. If you go to our bonus section, we have different courses inside there. So we have a 10-minute labor calculator. So you just need something really quick to figure out what you need to charge for your labor based on your numbers. We have a course on that. We have different webinars that we've had on hiring. We have different webinars on marketing plans. We've had Carla from Cycle CPA given talks on the importance of having a good accountant. And she's also done some webinars on P&L sheets. She's done some webinars on how to understand the P&Ls and how to use those in your business. We have another webinar on hiring tips, another one on power of communication by Laura Reale. So we have all these different types of things inside there. Plus, we have a great community. We have a program that we use that our people can get together and chat and converse with. It has a program we can kind of connects you up with other landscapers with similar interests. So you can reach out to them and become friends and find out what's working for them and what's not working for them. And then finally, we have our live Q&A, monthly live Q&A. I love this event. This is a great time where we all get together. It's in the evening and we can all get together and talk about anything and everything with landscaping. So if you have a specific question on your numbers or whatever, we'll dive into it. If you want to find out what other people are doing inside the academy for marketing or finding employees or what skid steer tires they found that work well, whatever, we talked about all kinds of different things in these monthly live Q&As. So I encourage you to get in there and get signed up for one of those. But that is a quick overview of what we have inside the academy. The biggest thing I would say is that we have is our numbers course and our system procedures. Those are the top two courses we have inside the academy that people come to us for. And if you want to learn your numbers, you want to get your business on track, so you're not in the field all the time or be able to have your team do things without you being there all the time, the system procedure is going to help you out. But again, if you join our $1 Million Academy, you get access to all those types of things. If you join as our premium member, you'll get access to our accountability meeting and our one-on-one coaching. You can also purchase one-on-one coaching if you want it as a separate thing at the lower level, so you can sign up for that here. But that again is the overview of our Million Dollar Academy. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can personally email me at scott@milliondollarlandscaper.com. If you want to get a little deeper dive and want me to show you some of our estimating systems and the tools that we have in there to help you figure all that out, I'll be more than happy to set up a one-on-one meeting free of charge and go through all those with you. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Other than that, hope you have a great day.